Just stand, please.
Okay.
Malayo ka mo? Magbalik ka mo sa gym?
12.
12.
15.
Well, where's your deck? For sure, link deck. Let's battle.
And
I'll use your go. I'll use your go.
Wala ko grade
21.
Dude, stop that.
21.
Shut up. I'm gonna borrow your link.
21.
Wait, no, I won't.
What's the battle, man?
Seriously? No grade 2.
Yeah, that's
Dude, use G assist.
my turn.
Come on.
Who wants to fight me? Fight me.
Later. 10.
10?
13.
13?
Yeah. 15. Trigger. 12. Okay.
Wala pa kita grade 2?
Putting it on grade for 500, okay?
Grade lock. See,
G assist, dude. G assist.
grade lock suggested. Grade lock suggested.
G assist. Nobody uses G assist anymore.
Because it's lame.
It's not lame. It's super helpful.
Hey. What are you doing?
One trigger.
Wala pa kita grade.
So sorry for that. Like this guy.
Seriously? 13? Oh, next.
27. There.
21.
I don't know why.
You have to start.
What's not plus 10?
No.
21.
No, start with Pokemon. Start with George.
Second.
Nay and Nay.
13.
13?
Yeah.
1-3?
Yeah, 1-3. 13 na, last na 3. Hey, go.
10.
So what do you use? This one?
And
Wala kita grade 2?
Use G assist, dude.
What's that?
Okay, YouTubers. Comment this. Never mind.
21.
21.
Tapos may kasi. Wait,
Wingle.
It's only one.
I know.
Dustin, this is Wingle, right?
No.
No, like Wingle.
Link Joker version.
Yeah, Link Joker version.
This is
Just like
12,000.
Blaster Joker. That's Blaster Bait. That's Blaster Bait Alien. Also Marin. There's another one. There's a Link Joker version of Marin.
Maybe or maybe not.
Just one.
Hindi pwede. Oh, you cannot change. You cannot
That's
change.
why
Hindi siya.
Whoa. And then I forgot her What's name. happening?
Oh,
It represents Marin. It's having an earthquake. Ah! Don't do that.
Wait a minute. Patayin ako.
13.
Patayin ako.
He's dead.
Wait, use this? Go, heal trigger,
How
heal
many
trigger.
minutes is it now?
No, heal trigger.
I win. See,
He wins today.